Don't let accidental deletions steal your most treasured memories. Here's how to recover permanently deleted photos from Dropbox. First, we'll dive into Dropbox's built-in recovery features, which are surprisingly powerful. Log into your Dropbox account via a web browser and navigate to the main file listing on the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a link labeled Deleted Files. Click on this to access files that have been recently removed from your account. This section stores files for a limited time, typically 30 days for free accounts, and up to 180 days for paid plans. You'll see a list of your deleted items, often sorted by deletion date. Look for the photos you want to restore. You can preview them if you're unsure. Once you've identified your photos, simply tick the checkbox next to each one. Then, click the Restore button that appears at the top. Dropbox will then seamlessly return these files to their original locations within your account. But what if they're no longer in deleted files? For images permanently purged, or if the deletion window has passed, we need to explore more advanced avenues. Your next step is to contact Dropbox support directly. While they can't guarantee recovery of